Properties of Parabolas by Iggy, LeBron, and Drake. Comparisons to parent graph. To change the parent function, we often use ax plus bx plus c. A determines which direction the parabola opens. Positive equals opening up, negative equals opening down. A also determines how thin or wide a parabola is. A greater than 1 equals a thinner parabola. A less than 1 equals a wider parabola. B moves the x-coordinate of the vertex. C determines the y-intercept. Example. Parent function is f of x equals x squared. 1 x-intercept at 0, 0. Y-intercepts are also at 0, 0. Effects of A. When A is between 0 and 1, the parabola is wide. When A is between 1 and anything greater than 1, the parabola is thin. When A is positive, the parabola opens up. When A is negative, the parabola opens down. If A is 0, it is no longer a quadratic function. Shifts. Problem. Y equals x minus h squared plus k. H is how far it moves left or right. K is how far it moves up or down. Black is the original. Orange is the parabola that has an h that is negative and moves right. Green is the parabola that has a k that is negative and moves down, by Iggy Azalea. X minus h squared plus k. C and k are the y-intercepts. The y-intercepts are generally the easiest to find because they are clearly given to you. If the equation is different than the one shown, you can plug in 0 for x to find the y-intercepts. In the graph, the y-intercept is shown on the top right, and the x-intercepts are shown on the x-axis down in the bottom left. X-intercepts. These are a lot more complicated to find than the y-intercepts. 0 equals ax plus bx plus c. To find the x-intercepts, you make y 0, then solve and factor. Example, x squared minus 12x plus 20. After factoring, you would end up with y minus 2 and y minus 10. Then the x values are the opposite of the numbers inside the parentheses. X equals positive 2 and positive 10. Range. Domain. All allowable values of the independent variable, more commonly known as the x values. If you get a 0 as a denominator, or have to find the square root of a negative number, do not include those values. Example. Range. Output values. When all x values in the domain are evaluated into the function, more commonly known as the y values. Must find domain to find the range. Example.
The end.